अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर व्यूअर्स, क्या हाल हैं? ठीक हैं? टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट मैट्रिक्स और मैट्रिसेस. मैट्रिक्स और matrices. First of all, we will define what is a matrix or matrices. Definition: matrices are the ordered rectangular array of numbers which are used to express linear equations. In this definition, rectangular means shape of a rectangle, shape of a rectangle, and array means collection. So, from a collection of numbers in shape in a rectangular shape ordered in a manner, it gives us a matrix. Let's suppose real numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is an array of numbers, real numbers. If we enclose this by a bracket, if we close this by a bracket, then it becomes a matrix. In a matrix, there are two things. Number one, rows, and number two, columns of a matrix. Now we are going to discuss about rows and columns. Rows. The entries in a matrix written in parallel, the entries in a matrix written in horizontal shape are called rows. In this matrix, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 3, 8, 9. Here these horizontal entries are called rows, and this row is called row 1 and this row is called row 2. Here the number of elements in R1 and R2 are 4. The thing which we have to notice that number of elements in a rows are same. There is no change in number of rows. Now we are going to discuss about columns. The entries of a column in vertical shape are called columns. In this matrix, in the above matrix, these entries are called column of matrix. Here we have 4 columns named as C1, C2, C3, C4. All these columns have two number of elements, and number of elements in each column are same or equal. Number of elements in columns or rows may be different, but in two or three or more than three rows, number of elements in rows should be same, and number of elements in column should be same. Now we are going to discuss about order of a matrix. Order of matrix. Number of rows and number of columns defines the order of a matrix. Let's suppose we have a matrix 1 5 3 7 2 8 4 6. In this matrix, the number of rows are 2, which are named as R1 and R2, and number of columns are 4, which are named as C1, C2, C3 and C4. So here 1 2 3 4, 4 columns and 1 2, 2 rows. So now order of a matrix becomes 2 cross 4. The thing we should have to notice that number of rows is written before than the number of columns, and it is read as the order of matrix is 2 by 4. The name of the matrix is written in the capital letter. You can name it as you wish. Let's suppose a matrix 1 5 3 8 2 7 4 6. We denote this by a capital letter A. So this matrix is called matrix A. Matrix A. Now we are going to discuss about equal matrices. Equal matrices. Two matrices A and B are called equal matrix if and only if order of A is equal to order of B. Secondly, elements corresponding to each other are equal. Means that if a matrix A, which is 1 2 3 4, and matrix B, which is 1 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 4 minus 2, 5 minus 1. So the corresponding element 1 is equal to element 1 of first element of the matrix A is equal to the first element of matrix B, and also this matrix is 2 cross 2 order, 2 cross 2, and this matrix is also 2 cross 2. Also though both the matrix have same order,